Hello, lovely kids. Let us learn about the different parts of the body. Hair, head, eyes, ear, nose, teeth, tongue, neck, hand, arm, knee, leg, foot. Eyes. The eyes help you see things around. Eyebrow. To help hold sweat does not enter the eyeball. Nose. The nose helps you smell. Ear. The ears help you listen. Mouth. To talk and chew delicious food. Lips. To keep food not scattered and to smile. Tooth. To bite and cut food in the mouth. Leg or foot. For walk and run. Hands and fingers. For holding something. Do you know about sense organs? There are 5 sense organs. Eyes for sight. Ears for hearing. Nose to smell. Tongue to taste. Skin to touch. How do you keep your body healthy from disease? Shower regularly, twice a day. Wash hair with shampoo. Brush your teeth regularly using toothpaste. Trimming nails after a week, cleaning nails daily. Clean the ears with cotton regularly. Wash hands before and after eating. Wash your feet when you enter the house. Cover your nose if you smell bad. Don't overeat candy. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel.